there, welcome to Mission Ascension. I'm sending you bright blessings and beautiful butterflies wherever you are on this amazing planet. Today's presentation is about salt and salt bathing. The hot new trend in swimming pools is salt water. Yes, just like at the beach, people have pools of salt water in their backyard. Why all the rage? Well, it turns out salt water is actually good for you, both internally and externally. If you haven't jumped on the saltwater bandwagon yet, check out these great reasons why adding salt water to your life is extremely beneficial. Blessed salt, or salt water, is often used during baptisms and exorcisms. In fictional tales of demon hunters, such as the television show Supernatural, salt is used to repel demons, ghosts, hellhounds, and other supernatural beings. The demon hunters have shotgun casings filled with salt to blast the demons, and they sit inside a circle of salt to protect themselves from the harmful entities. I find this to be an awesome metaphor, and this may sound silly, but I always carry with me what I call my emergency salt pack. It's one of these little ones that you get with food delivery. I carry it with me everywhere I go. Just in case if I run in some negative juju, I take it out and I sprinkle some on me and around me. It works surprisingly well, and I've never seen anyone spontaneously combust yet. But I have seen some unsavory characters supernaturally just leave my area and avoid me altogether. Salt is amazing stuff. Check out this example of how you can bless your salt in the privacy of your own home. I empower the salt of the earth with sanctification. These sprinkles of awareness bring supreme clarification as the mind, body, and spirit receive purification. Clarity is power. So not only do I recommend salt baths, I also have Himalayan salt lamps inside my home to dissipate and neutralize the EMFs. I also spray salt water in the interior of my home, and I put pinches of salt in every corner of every room. I salt the perimeter of my yard, and when I get to the front door, I draw a line of salt across the threshold. No demon shall pass. Salt is amazing stuff. Check out this demonstration of one creative way that you can use your blessed salt to neutralize and clear out the EMFs inside your house. I circle 1. Manipulation, mind control, dark psychology, be no more. I circle twice to neutralize thee on all levels and all layers for all eternity. I circle thrice for the powers of 3 times 3. This is my will, so mote it be. So back to salt baths. Now if you do not have a bathtub, or you do not like taking a bath, then you can spray yourself with salt water, or you can put pinches of salt inside your shampoo bottles or your body wash. I also recommend salt baths for your children and your pets and anyone else inside your home. You can also put pinches of salt in their shampoo or body wash, and they don't necessarily have to know about it. It's not going to hurt anything. It only helps. But if you can, take a soothing, warm bath. Add sea salt or Epsom salt You can also add essential oils, light some candles, play soft music, create ambiance, and soak yourself from head to toe. Relax and visualize all the negativity being eliminated from your mind, body, and spirit. Soak and take your time to fully and completely relax. Get so relaxed, it's where you're not quite asleep, but you're not quite awake. Breathe deeply and easily. Use your vivid, lucid imagination to visualize that all the people and all the pets inside your home are being cleared too, as well as everything inside your home. Your entire house is being purified. Use as much detail as you can. When you are done, imagine all those negative energies going down the drain with the bath water. Express gratitude and go throughout your day. You will feel completely refreshed and revitalized. You'll also notice a vast improvement in the atmosphere of your home. Peace, love, and light.